There are so many channels blowing up across YouTube and gaining millions of views and followers and making thousands of dollars every month. And that can also be you. And the best part is that you don't even have to show your face. We've put together 30 fantastic niche ideas to help you get started, and we'll even hint at some of the software you might use to bring your ideas to life. If you like our videos, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's begin today's video. Starting off with idea number 1, we have podcast-style videos. If you have a knack for conversation and a topic you're passionate about, this is a great option. You can use a tool like Audacity to record and edit your audio, providing a crisp and clean sound to your listeners. Moving on to idea number 2, screen recording tutorials. If you're an expert at a certain software, why not share your knowledge? OBS, or Open Broadcaster software, is a great tool for capturing your screen and your voice, allowing you to guide your viewers through your process. Idea number 3 is animation videos. If you're artistically inclined, creating animations can be a fun and engaging way to share stories or information. Adobe Animate is a user-friendly software that can help you bring your ideas to life. For idea number 4, consider creating audio dramas. Similar to podcasts but with a narrative twist, audio dramas can transport your listeners to different worlds. Again, Audacity is a great tool for this. Idea number 5 is a voiceover gameplay. If you love gaming and have a knack for commentary, this could be your perfect niche. OBS can capture your gameplay while you narrate the action. Next up, idea number 6 is guided meditations. If you have a soothing voice and a love for wellness, creating guided meditations can be a rewarding endeavor. Audacity can help you record and enhance your voiceovers. Idea number 7 is language lessons. If you're fluent in more than one language, why not share your skills? With screen recording, you can provide visual aids to complement your lessons. For idea number 8, consider book summaries or reviews. If you're a bookworm, sharing your thoughts on your latest reads can engage fellow readers. Idea number 9 is a mystery or true crime narration. If you're a fan of suspense and investigation, narrating mystery or true crime stories can captivate an audience. Lastly, idea number 10 is minimalist cooking. Showcase simple and easy-to-make recipes with a focus on minimal ingredients and preparation. Screen recording can capture your digital recipe cards while you narrate the cooking process. That's the first 10 ideas to kickstart your faceless YouTube journey. Moving on to the next set of 10 ideas, let's dive right in. Idea 11, time-lapse drawing. This concept is a real treat for those who love to draw or paint. You can use programs like Procreate, which allows you to record your drawing process and then speed it up into a time-lapse. Your audience will be mesmerized watching your art come to life in minutes. Idea 12, ambient soundscapes. Create immersive audio experiences with ambient soundscapes featuring nature sounds, calming music, or white noise. Ideal for relaxation, focus, or sleep enhancement. Couple of examples are forest rain sounds or ocean waves meditation, city ambience for studying. Idea 13, historical narratives. Dive into captivating historical stories and events presented through engaging narratives and visuals. Educate and entertain viewers with lesser-known historical anecdotes. A couple of examples are the story behind famous inventions or historical mysteries. Adobe Animate and After Effects are softwares that can help you to create this. Next up, idea 14, science experiments at home. Perform fun and educational science experiments using everyday materials. Inspire curiosity and exploration through hands-on activities. Examples are DIY volcano experiment, physics tricks, or chemistry demonstrations. Softwares you can use are Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro. Idea 15, thrifty fashion finds. Explore thrift store hauls, budget-friendly fashion tips, and sustainable clothing options. For example, DIY clothing upcycle or transforming thrifted items or styling outfits on a budget. Idea 16, nature walks or hikes. Share the tranquility of a forest walk or the thrill of a mountain hike. You can use GoPro cameras for high-quality, stable footage. Idea 17, product reviews. Share your honest opinions about products you've tried. This could range from tech gadgets to beauty products. Idea 18, DIY tutorials. Whether it's crafting, woodworking, or home improvement, share your skills with your audience. You can use tools like iMovie for easy editing. A couple of examples are DIY room decor or upcycled crafts or kitchen organization hacks. Idea 19. Educational content. Teach a subject you're passionate about. This could be anything from history to mathematics. Screen recording tools like 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐫 can be very helpful here. Finally, mindful parenting. Offer tips on mindful parenting, positive discipline strategies, and family-friendly activities. A couple of examples are positive discipline techniques or setting boundaries with love-mindful activities for kids. Audacity is again a great tool for recording and editing. And that's another 10 fantastic faceless YouTube ideas for you. And now for our final 10 ideas. Idea 21, financial planning guides. Offer advice on budgeting, saving, and investing for financial stability. Amazon's Kindle is an excellent platform, allowing you to highlight important sections and make notes, which you can share with your viewers. Idea 22, product unboxings. This is a classic, yet still popular, YouTube genre. You can unbox anything from tech gadgets to makeup kits. You don't need to show your face, just your hands and the product. And the best part? You can use your smartphone camera to shoot these videos. Next up, idea 23, pet videos. Who doesn't love watching cute, fluffy creatures doing adorable things? If you have a pet, this one is a no-brainer. You can use a GoPro or any other action camera to capture high-quality footage. A couple of examples are puppy training guide or teaching tricks to cats. Idea 24, mythical creatures and folklore. Explore mythical creatures and folklore from around the world. This niche offers a fascinating and diverse subject matter that appeals to those interested in legends, fantasy, and cultural storytelling. A couple of content ideas are top 10 mythical creatures from Greek mythology or spooky ghost stories from Japan. Moving on to idea 25, ASMR videos. Experience ASMR soundscapes for relaxation and sensory pleasure. This genre has gained immense popularity over the years. All you need is a good quality microphone to capture those soothing sounds. Idea 26, home organization ideas. If you're a crafty person, this one is for you. Organize your home with creative ideas and tips. Share your projects and inspire others to get creative. A good DSLR camera can capture your work in high detail. Idea 27, fitness challenges. Share your workout routines with your audience. Motivate viewers to stay active and achieve their fitness goals. You can use a wide-angle lens to capture your movements without showing your face. A couple of examples are 30-day fitness challenge or bodyweight workout routines. Idea 28, gardening tips. If you have a green thumb, why not share your gardening secrets with the world? A smartphone with a good camera is all you need here. Idea 29, travel vlogs. Even though you're not showing your face, you can still share your adventures with your viewers. A GoPro or a drone can capture breathtaking views. And finally, idea 30, video essays. Discuss a topic you're passionate about, be it movies, history, or philosophy. Screen capture software like OBS Studio can be used to record your screen while you talk. So, there we have it, 30 faceless YouTube ideas that you can start working on today. We've journeyed through a variety of concepts, each unique and tailored to different interests and skill sets. These ideas aren't just about hiding behind the camera, but about embracing your creativity and expressing your passions in a way that resonates with your audience. It's about utilizing the digital tools at your disposal to craft videos that captivate and educate. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing, Audacity for audio editing, and OBS Studio for screen recording are just a few examples. The most important takeaway here is that you don't need to be in front of the camera to make engaging YouTube videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you should definitely watch the next video, where I explain how to create a faceless YouTube channel and start making money.